Welcome back to the journey. Today is a quick update from our off-grid homestead here in Jamaica. I'm starting off by checking on the plants. They've been coming along nicely. I'm giving them some water and doing a little walkthrough to show the progress. Bit by bit, we're turning this place into something real. One of the big steps we just completed is the installation of a 650-gallon water tank. That's going to make a huge difference for both the plants and the building process. We're one step closer to being self-sufficient. Over on the other side of the property, we've been clearing a new area using fire. It's the beginning of a new section for either planting or expansion. The land is starting to open up, and we're laying the groundwork for more growth. Everything you see here is being done with intention. If you've been enjoying the journey so far, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. There's a lot more to come, and I'd love for you to be part of it. Thanks for watching this update on our off-grid journey. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps us grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next stage of the build. And if you know someone who's into farming, off-grid living, or DIY projects, share this video with them. We're building everything from scratch, and the journey's just getting started. Thanks again for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.